Hi guys, it's Debra again. Now I'm going to teach you another little step today. It's just a variation of the Charleston, where normally I teach a Charleston where we touch and then step back and touch and step forward, but this is going to be step forward and touch forward, step back and touch back. So it's a slight variation. So I'm just going to turn around and we'll do a couple of walls of that particular Charleston. Here we go. All right, so weight's on the left, so we're going to step forward, touch in front, step back, touch behind. Step forward, touch in front, step back, touch behind with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was 2. So let's do it with the other foot with the weight on the right. So step forward, touch in front, step behind, touch behind, step forward, touch in front, step behind, touch behind. Now, with a count, with the weight on the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's wrong. Step, touch, step, touch, step forward, touch, step back, touch with the other foot, step, touch, step behind, touch, step forward, touch, step behind, touch. Okay, so that's a variation of the Charleston. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.